Learning a language is a chance to understand what is true in every culture compared to what is true only in one culture. فێربوونی زمانێک دەرفەتەکە بۆ تێگەیشتنی چی شتێک ڕاستە لە هەموو کولتورێک و چی شتێک ڕاستە تەنها لە یەک کولتورە. For example, manliness, پیاوانە. In modern American culture, it's not manly to enjoy poetry. But if you are a man in Kurdistan who enjoys poetry, no one says, چیەکەیت, پیاوە. But in Kurdish culture, washing the dishes is not manly. When you learn another language and culture and you find these differences, you realize that these are only local expressions of manliness. Both of these cultures, strength and courage, زیاتری, are important parts of manliness. They must be a part of the core of manliness. Knowing the difference between what is universal and what is only local means a man can feel free to enjoy poetry in America or to wash the dishes in Kurdistan.